Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to make some more Hakka noodles. And we are going to make vlog done Hakka noodles. You can make Hakka noodles with what ingredients are available at your house. So the ingredients for this are very simple. You need finely chopped onions, half cup. You need finely chopped capsicum. I have red and yellow. You can also add green for half a cup. You need chilies as per your spicy taste. 2 garlic cloves finely chopped. And one slice of ginger finely chopped. We need oil. We need the cups of tablespoon and teaspoon, and we need a spatula. We are going to use the Ching's dark soy sauce, chili sauce, and vinegar. And guys, this video is not sponsored by Ching's, but we are still using Ching's sauces and soya sauce. So here I have boiled noodles. The noodles are boiled at 2 minutes. You have to make the water hot for 2 minutes, and then you have to boil them for 2 minutes. And now we are going to start the recipe. So first I'm going to take the help of my mom again to on the gas. So yeah. So let's start the recipe. So I'm going to let our pan get hot. Till then we are going to pour 1 tablespoon of oil in our cup or spoon. 1 tablespoon. Okay. I've poured 1 tablespoon of oil. Now we're going to add it. I'm going to let the oil get hot a bit. You can see the oil is getting hot. Guys, so now our oil is hot, and I saw that the oil is hot because I added 1 garlic clove in it. So now we are going to add chilies, garlic and ginger. And I have added supervision. That's why I am working with oil. You should always cook. If you are a kid, you should always cook in under supervision. We are going to mix it. It's actually so poppy. Guys, I'm just going to put a lid. So now I'm going to let it pop inside because all of the oil was popping on me and I was scared, so that's why I covered it with the lid. Now we're going to open it. Our chilies and ginger are nicely roasted, you can see. Now we are going to add all of our vegetables in. So I'm only adding onions, half cup of onions and capsicum chopped. But you can add a lot of vegetables like spring onion and the 3 types of capsicums, bell peppers also you can call them. You can add spring onions in them and a lot of vegetables which you like in Hakka noodles. But in lockdown I couldn't find a lot of vegetables which are actually needed for Hakka noodles because you have to follow the lockdown norms. So that's why I didn't bring a lot of vegetables. These are the only vegetables which were available at my house. You can also add cauliflower. So now the oil is popping, so I'm going to let it, you have to saute a bit for 5 minutes, and if you don't have to overcook the thing, and then I'll meet you after it's sauteed after 5 minutes. Okay guys, now you can see our vegetables are sauteed well, and as I told you in the last clip that you should not overcook our vegetables. So now we're going to add 1 teaspoon of soya sauce. So now it will start popping a bit. So to lower the flame at this time, and we have to cook it on medium flame. So now you can come over here. We have to add 1 teaspoon of vinegar in our boiled noodles. So let's do that. Just a bit to add that salty taste. I didn't add salt because these sauces and stuff have a lot of salt in there. Now we are going to mix it. Okay guys, so now we mixed it, and now we are going to add 1 tablespoon of chili sauce. can see I've filled. If you like it very spicy, you can add 2 tablespoons. But I'm not a very fan of spice, so I won't add 2 tablespoons. So I'm going to saute the sauce as well, and I'm going to let it thick a little bit. And then after this, you have to add just a bit of water. You can look just a very little water. Only like 1 tablespoon, so that it turns into like gravy like consistency and it would like nicely. So now we are going to add our noodles in. Let's add them in. So I've added my noodles in now. Now let's mix them up. So this is just a demo for the noodles. So we have to like nicely coat it with our sauce. So if you want to make the sauce separate and you want to add it in the noodles at last, you can do that, but I just prefer to make it in a bowl. As the method I did, I just prefer that, but you can make the sauce in a different pan and you can boil the noodles in a different pan. So these are our Hakka noodles. It was a very small recipe of getting it ready. So now I'm going to pour it in a bowl and show you some shots and clips. So guys, these are our noodles which are ready. I'm going to try them. They are a bit hot. It is really good. I tell you, please try this recipe, guys. It's so good. And don't forget to like and subscribe to this video. And the last video, you didn't subscribe, so please subscribe this time and like the video. And please make this video till 1000 likes. And I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.